Hello and welcome back, guys. How you doing? So, you guys might not understand about my vlogs lately. That's fine. But I want you guys to understand that what you guys are about to see is my life. The real life of Nathan. Now, this vlog that I'm about to state, a lot of people are probably going to take this the wrong way. If you do, you're a snowflake. But this is purely just me speaking to you guys. I don't care how you guys take this. This is purely me. I suffer from depression. That's normal. Everyone suffers from depression. The difference, though, is when it's people who suffer from depression, some get harder than others and some don't. But those who are hit harder with depression, sometimes can't find an escape. And lately, I have no escape to my depression. I live with my depression. I'm a prisoner to my depression. I live with anxiety. I'm a prisoner to my anxiety. I have people every day who sit here and degrade or belittle me because they don't understand about me or my situation. Oh, you're fat. Oh, you're this, you're that. Not the medication I'm on causes weight gain. I used to be skinny. I used to be. But I'm not. You know, I've lately been so stressed that I caused a lot of people to walk away from me or just leave out of my life, or I push people away, which is never my intention to do, is push people away. I literally have no friends. And the reason why I have no friends is because I push people away. It's to the point sometimes I swear to God that I've already pushed Tiffany away. And I don't blame her if she's already left. There's days I thought about giving up. There's days I just don't want to wake up. You guys can sit here and think, oh, he's suicidal. He's depressed. Yes. Now don't worry, I already have an appointment speaking with my doctor. I already have an appointment to talk to my doctor. I already have an appointment to speak with a therapist. I already have all that. I've already made these plans. I'm already about 3,000 steps ahead of you guys. But I'm being told to continue making vlogs because doing that, I suffer from social anxiety. And making vlogs allows me to express how I feel, because then I can go back and I can review how I was then versus when I changed, and review, well, that was then, this is now. You changed, you moved on. And when I talked about how I was going into a new direction, I'm going into a new direction. You know, I plan to joining a gym, you know, the therapy, talking about getting off things. I'm moving in the direction of bariatric surgery. There's another surgery I'm going to be looking at. There's so many things that I'm looking at right now. But I can't do it because I have no support. But it's fine. But you know, it's one of those things where I feel like I push people away so much that people just don't want to be around me. And so this camera right here, this is my audience. This is my life. People judge me all the time on this camera either way. I have TikTok. People judge me on that too. I've been told to die. People told me to kill myself. But if I was to listen to people on YouTube and TikTok, Facebook, and reality for people to tell me to kill myself, what would I show? What would I prove? I don't want to give up. Because if I give up, then you win. It's kind of hard to sit here and make these vlogs when everyone's sitting here and telling me to end my life. You guys don't give two shits. It's easy for someone behind a keyboard and type. Just tell someone to shut the fuck up. You're fatso. Kill yourself. It's another when that person who reads it lives that life, who's always been judged for his life, has always been ridiculed, who's came from a history of abuse. You don't know his story. You know my life. You don't know my anything. You only know what I'm showing you. This is why lately I've been showing people the real life of me. Right here. This is me. This is not some actor that, like McJuggernuggets or any of these people that they want you to see. This is me. I'm living in a fucking hotel. I have no kids right now. My wife left me for a sex offender. My oldest son got molested. My youngest son got molested by a sex offender. What more do you want me to say? Everyone thinks I'm abusive. And every day I sit here and fight. Why should I wake up? I can't get a fucking job right now because I got blacklisted by a fucking piece of shit company. This is the shit I'm talking about. If you want to dislike this video, I don't give two shits. This is me. But like I said, I swear to God, people have already left me. Tiffany's already left me. Everyone leaves me. Everyone leaves me because it's what they do. They sit there and say that they're going to be there by my side. That they're going to be for the thick and thin. But they never do. I literally take 8 fucking pills. This new thing that I'm dealing with, the adrenal deficiency, it's also called Addison's disease, where your body goes into severe hypoglycemia. You pass out, you might not wake up. That's not good. Why do you think I've been losing weight, guys? I'm literally, my body is starving from the inside. My blood has a rare autoimmune disease where it's attacking itself. I wish I could give more positive shit in my vlogs. What's the point? What's the point of vlogging anymore? Seriously. All I wanted for my birthday, was my kids, to see my kids. In a few days, a few fucking days is Father's Day. This is gonna be the first year that I won't be able to celebrate. But some motherfucking goddamn rapist will.